Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm setting the new Hellcat, and I want to make this video for some of the new Hellcat owners who might be a little confused about the break-in period, specifically the amount of horsepower that is available during the break-in period. So let me show you what I found. Okay guys, so check this out. So when you go into your drive mode, under power it says 534. So logically I assume this means 534 horsepower, but that's not the case. It's just the units. This vehicle comes with 717 horsepower from day one. The break-in period does not limit the amount of horsepower this vehicle puts out. All you have to do is change the unit, and I'll show you what I mean. So if you go into settings, go to units. So when I picked up this vehicle, my units was set at metric. Okay. If you click, let's just say US, and you go back, see, now it's 717, and that's horsepower. Okay, let's go back to settings, units. This time I'll go custom. Okay. Over here, power is at horsepower. Before it was kW. I don't know what that is. Kilowatts? I don't know what that is. But that's the reason this was showing as 534. So this whole time that I had this vehicle, I kept thinking I have 534 horsepower, and thinking, well, there's a break-in period, so after I reach 500 kilometers I'll get the full 717, but that's not the case. I'm going to change this to... So that's all you have to do, guys. When you buy these vehicles from the dealership, you do get the 717 horsepower, okay? And all you have to do, like I showed you, is change the units. So I hope this helps some of you new Hellcat owners who are kind of confused when they see 534 for power. And it's not because of the break-in period. No, that's just a different unit of measure. So I hope this helps you guys. Alright, thanks for watching.